In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join the Wayfair affiliate program updated for 2025. If you're looking to partner with Wayfair and start earning through affiliate marketing, you're in the right place. We'll go through the entire process step by step, ensuring you're set up smoothly and ready to get started. First off, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to your preferred search engine. Here, you're going to type in Wayfair affiliate program. This search will bring up a list of results, and what you're looking for is typically right at the top. Click on the first link that appears. It should direct you to Wayfair's official page where they discuss their affiliate opportunities. Once you're on the page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the content. As you scroll down, you'll find a section labeled Creator Program. This is where all the information about Wayfair's partnership possibilities is laid out. Look for the button or link that says Learn More and give it a click. This will take you to a dedicated page explaining all the benefits and requirements for joining the Wayfair affiliate program. When you're ready to take the next step, locate the Apply Now button on the page. Clicking this button will guide you through to the application area. Once you're on the application page, you'll see another Apply Now option, usually in a prominent spot to encourage sign up. Hit that button to initiate the process. Now, this step is crucial. If you already have a Wayfair or related account, you can simply sign in using your existing credentials. However, if you're new to Wayfair's platform, you'll need to create a new account. Make sure you have essential information ready, such as an email address you frequently use, to ensure you receive any updates or communications. As you fill out your application, it's important to be thorough and accurate with the information you provide. This ensures your application is processed smoothly and without delays. Once completed, you'll submit your application and Wayfair will typically review and respond in a timely manner. Joining the Wayfair affiliate program is an excellent opportunity to monetize your platform, whether you're a blogger, a content creator, or someone with a keen interest in home decor and improvement. Not only does this program allow you to earn commissions on sales generated through your unique affiliate links, but it also connects you with a quality brand in the home goods space. And there you have it. You're now ready to join the Wayfair affiliate program. With this partnership, you can start sharing Wayfair's extensive range of products with your audience and earn commissions along the way. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with all